So I currently got the keychains in, the lanyards. Show you guys real quick. We're just gonna go to my friend's shop and put the logos on them. Or I mean, I don't know how long it'll take, but here they are. All black with a black clip. Let's go. The homie Ricardo gonna be working on the decals. What's up, homie?
What's up?
Shout out you. Shout out, yeah, shout out.
What's up?
We're working on. My boy's steady grinding. Check him out if you guys are ever in town. That's it. Shout out to the homie Tint Shop right here. The Tint House. You guys need any license plates done, any hats, shirts, let my boy know. He got you guys. Yo, so I'm pretty excited. It's pretty late right now. It's 9:30. But check this out. So earlier we were at my friend's shop and he's making us our lanyards or keychains because for some reason I can't get lanyards right? Anyways, so he just called me, said my decal's ready, and I asked him to make me a decal for the back of my car, which is gonna be my YouTube channel. And I got this idea from this dude already on YouTube. He drives a Challenger, a pretty sick one. It's I think it's a Cowcat. And I said when I get my car, which was freaking so long ago that I was gonna do the same thing, and I went the wrong way. Where am I going? Yeah, I'm going the wrong way. I was gonna do the same thing, and so yeah, he made it and it's ready, and I'm excited because it's like what, almost 10. My boy came through, and stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys when it's sick. See, here you go. That's funny. That's dope. All right, let me get it. Oh, what copyright? What copyright? Jeez, huh?
Dirty ass fingers.
Dude, even the cops are gonna look me up, bro.
Imagine.
They are. They're gonna be bored. They're like, who the fuck is?
Who the fuck is
Who the fuck is Rodri? And then why does it say Zaragoza in Mexican?
Let's look it up.
Let's see if he's burning out. Let's see if he's selling anything.
Let's see if he's doing any illegal illicit activity.
Hopefully not, dude. That's fucking hard. So here's the result. If you guys need anything done, any work, let my boy know. Where you located at, bro?
1637 South Broadway. JR Graphics. Anything you need, we do it.
Anything, he said. Butt plugs too. Let's go.
Still the same, I just do what I do. Double cup, yes, I get it. Pistol grip when I pull up, you dip. All designer, just look at the drip. I don't care about no politics, but I say that I love activists. About the money, I'm so passionate. I ain't tripping on no ratchet bitch. Pistol grip, young Grim Reaper. Host up with me, cause they know I go deeper. Hold that.
What I would do, if it was me, I'll just stand in here.
Alright, check it out. So my boys, the ones that took care of me with the face cheater keychains,
That was a smaller clip, and that was
right? You guys know what I'm talking about? Check them out, check them out, check them out. And my boy.
van a venir. ¿Quién
Check it out. Check it out. You know what's funny? You know I told you I wanted to record all this? Fool, you're wearing the same shirt as the last video, dog. Fool, cámbiate, way. Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a funny ass video. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, they're putting that on. Oh, and it's the perfect time to record this video too. Honestly, the most perfect time ever. I'll tell you guys why. Alright, hold on. Check it out. My shirts came in. See that? Patience is low in the back. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Anyways, oh my freaking camera's broken. So my hats came in and I gotta show you guys before my camera dies. You know I said I was gonna continue the video. Check it out. Black Face Chaser logo. So, anyways, they ended up taking a little minute, but they came out so clean. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys like the video, and yeah, that's the process of making these hats. And I'm gonna post clips of like some of my homies or like my friends picking them up. Hey, thanks for everybody for the support, for showing love and stopping by, for whether it's the lanyards or my hats. I appreciate you guys, honestly. That fake cheese logo, I love it, dude. I love it. I got and sorry about the mess. We're working tonight. The trucker hats. Shout out to Headcase, LA. And that's my original logo. And I'm gonna be making more tank tops with that for summer. So stay tuned, guys. Got a lot of things coming for you guys. So hit you up at what? Jared Graphics?
What's up? Anything you need?
I'm gonna put the little Instagram thing like right here somewhere.
Give us a follow.
Tell them to change shirts. Yeah, so they're grinding it out. Hope you guys continue following the channel. A lot more work coming soon, so you guys hope you guys stay tuned, dude. I got so much coming. God willing, it gives us time. We got this. Thank you for watching.
Got a big weight, whole team big weight. I got racks on me in the mid-grade. I don't play fat, no mistake. I'm straight up in the pussy, let's grip tape. Got big weight, whole team big weight. Back it up, little nigga, when you acting about that double cup like I quality, you be sipping tubs. Any niggas mad talking shit cause they got fuck with us. My bitch up pretty sucking me, you know that's a plus. Any nigga fuck with us, you know I'ma let it buzz. Wanna be rich, yeah baby, I know that's a must. Pull up with the first skirt, leave these niggas in the stress. Stay your money hung, gotta win, gotta come. Nigga, I just had a stump. Young nigga having fun, you a hater, you a bum, you ain't even gonna crumb. Goddamn little nigga, the mouth be big, but my check way bigger. I'm racing in the hood, 7 packs, red clear. He hit the block, I hit not for fun, he my hitter. I saw him throw jewelry on winner. Niggas stay mad, them bitches stay better.